What's up guys, I'm John Maciejewski here at the log cabin, and today we're going to talk about density. What is density? Density is the mass or weight in a given space. So let's say we had a box full of golf balls and a box full of ping pong balls. The golf ball would have a higher density since it weighs more than the ping pong ball. Why does that matter? So let's say we're trying to float a raft across the river. We're going to need to make sure that the density of the raft is less than the water so that it can float. Now let's move on to the experiment. So for this experiment, we're making fireworks in a jar. And what we're going to need is a container. It can be any size. We fill it up 3/4 of the way there, like to the top, with water. Little bit of vegetable oil, food coloring, and something to stir it with. For the experiment, we're going to drop 3 drops of each color into the oil. So 1, 2, oh, that was 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 4 again. And then 1, 2, 3. 4. That works. And then after that, we're gonna mix it all together. And after that, we're gonna slowly pour it into the warm water. And notice how the oil stays at the top while the food coloring goes into the water. The vegetable oil stays at the top because it has a less density than the water. And the food coloring is dropping in to the water because it has more density than the vegetable oil. And as we can see, we get a little fireworks show with the food coloring going into the water. And after a while, the food coloring will mix with the water. As you can see, the food coloring is dissolving into the water, and that's why the water is turning like purplish color. And this is a fun experiment you can try at home. Everyone have a nice day and keep doing science experiments.